Good afternoon. In this What the Fuck News segment, I'm going to talk about an interview that an Israeli news agency had with Tucker Carlson. And I've extracted a few snips from it, in which Tucker is making some valid statements. If you're interested in that relationship between America and Israel, it will be good for you to pay attention to the things that Tucker is saying. The reporter asked him, Foreign, foreign leader can pull Trump into war he didn't want. Is he really that weak? Tucker. I saw it happen. I was there. Blame Trump for folding under pressure from Netanyahu. Why did Trump allow a nation of 9 million people to pull the US, 350 million people, into a war? No country has boasted more about killing its political opponents than Israel. Tucker Carlson to the Israeli Channel 13. And what he says here is extremely important to take note of. The Israelis, they really boast about killing leaders from the from countries that they are at war with. And they focus on the leadership. And then when they achieve it, they brag about it. What type of message does that send? Who is the terrorist here? The reporter. Israel is the most attacked state in the world from so many enemies. If we don't put this equation together, it seems like we are doing it for fun or that we lost our morality. Tucker Carlson responds. Israel has definitely lost its morality. There's no question about that. Israeli reporter. Iran terror regime controls Hormuz. Trump said US would have been in danger. You don't believe Trump? Tucker. I don't believe Trump. Pause before using the phrase terror regime. Since you live in a country that just murdered thousands of children in Gaza. And that is a valid response. And that is something that the Western media is forever playing down. The number of children killed in the Gaza, it is sickening. And I have shared previously, I have shared an image of a 7-year-old girl, a little girl, that was shot by a tank. Now, what type of man pulls the trigger on a tank cannon to shoot a 7-year-old girl? What type of person is that? What is his mentality? I just don't understand why the United States has an obligation to pay for any of this. No one will answer that question, and instead they say, well, you're an anti-Semite. We're implicated in some of the many crimes Israel has committed, and he's correct in that, because it is the Americans that are financing Israel and providing the weaponry with which these atrocities are committed, as Tucker calls it, war crimes. Tucker. Israel is not a democracy. Millions under Israeli control can't vote. West Bank, Gaza. Have people who have no control over a government that controls their lives. Drop the talking points. I agree with you on self-defense. Don't think killing children is self-defense. The reporter. Is Israel committing genocide? Tucker. Israel's murdered all these children. Real criminal is me because I described that as a genocide. Reporter. So not calling it a genocide. Tucker. You're more upset by how I described the murder of children than at the murder of the children. And that is correct. They're forever dodging that label of genocide. But meanwhile, they're committing these atrocities and killing literally thousands of people. Tucker Carlson on Israeli Channel 13. I think as an Israeli, You should pause before using the phrase terror regime, since you live in a country that just murdered thousands of children in Gaza. Now, that was a valid statement by Tucker Carlson, but the Western media dodges it and ducks around it. The reality is you have to go and look objectively at what the Israelis is doing to the people, specifically in Gaza. And if you are of the opinion that what they are doing there is okay for you, then I think you must go and take a hard look at yourself, because you cannot support the killing, the mass killing of those children there. There is no excuse for it. Please give me a like and a subscribe and share the thing. Thank you for your support.